Hi Digicians, you might be wondering which is the best video editor that you can use at your PC and that too free. So simply you might be looking for a free but effective video editing software for your PC. For any platform you can use at your PC. Any platform means Windows, Linux, Mac or whatever. And the answer is DaVinci Resolve. Best video editor software, best video editing software is DaVinci Resolve. The 19 version is out now and you can download DaVinci Resolve 19 for free at official website through the video description link. What is the DaVinci Resolve? What the DaVinci Resolve can do? So it is offering all the things like edit, cut, color, fusion, fairlight or collaboration. So if we are discussing about the editing software, the edit page is designed to be easy and intuitive for new users, yet powerful enough to give professional editors all the tools and control they need. And you can download the editor DaVinci Resolve for free. Similarly, you have all the options that you may be looking for the video editing tool and that can be installed at your PC. DaVinci Resolve is the world's only solution that combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics and audio post-production in all-in-one software tool. It is elegant, modern interface is fast to learn and easy to new users, yet powerful for professionals. So it is all for you and I'm just willing to answer the question which is the best video editing software that you can use for your PC. In my opinion, it is DaVinci Resolve. Check and download the application software and check at your domain, at your PC directly by using this. And it is high in professional working on feature films and television shows. I use DaVinci Resolve more than any other solution. Okay, so this is great. What is new in DaVinci Resolve 19? It is cloud sync, AI based voice isolation, point of interest, AI audio panning to video and multi-user collaboration as well. Like if you are working in a team, you can use the DaVinci Resolve for team collaboration, and if the team members can contribute their art or the editing or the creatives. So it is a perfect tool for editing the software, and this is all-in-one solution for post-production videos. And I'm sure you are going to use this and it is going to be helpful for you, and it is the world's fastest and most advanced professional NLE. So what is NLE? The edit page is world's most advanced professional non-linear editor. So this is non-linear editor and this is very important. And the familiar track layout and dual monitor design and traditional workflow makes it easy to new users to learn while still being powerful enough for professional editors. So this is all great and cut designed for editors who to turn around work fast. Okay, the cut option, the color option, Hollywood's favorite color corrections. Okay, great. So the DaVinci Resolve color page is Hollywood's most advanced color corrector and has been used to color and finish more high-end feature films and television shows than any other system. Okay, great. Fusion. So cinematic quality, visual effects and motion graphics. This is the Fusion. So this you can check this. And the Fusion page lets you create cinematic visual effects and broadcast quality motion graphics right inside of your DaVinci Resolve. And the Fairlight. The Fairlight page features hundreds of pro tools for audio post-production. It is like having a professional digital audio workstation. Great. And the media and the delivery. The media and delivery pages have everything you need to import, manage, and deliver final projects. And Resolve FX is also here, DaVinci Nature Engine and all. So you can explore this software. Since it is free, there is no harm in downloading this and using this. And you can find multiple videos on the YouTube itself how to use this. However, it is easy and very easy, in fact, to handle for the software for video editing purposes. Enjoy the free options, and I'm sure you are going to like this and you are going to share your opinion in the video description. Subscribe the channel. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.